This afternoon we had a fascinating panel discussions about the challenges related to substitution with safer alternatives, but supported by technological development. So we discussed in great level of detail the challenges that companies are facing with the substitution exercise. First of all, legislation is driving a lot of restrictions, and they also drive legal obligations. So companies start with very complex scanning of their portfolio, which now is also assisted by new technologies. We were discussing about how the artificial intelligence can be used for safety data sheet assessment or also data gathering and analysis. However, the speakers highlighted that it is always humanly actually assisted analysis at the end, and still a lot of progress is needed. But the example of the Korean government investing in new technologies is a wonderful example to consider for future developments. In the same time, we discuss as well how at EU level, the European Commission is supporting industry in the substitution efforts with the idea of introducing substitution centers and supporting not only in finding solutions as individual companies, but also in a collaborative manner. And the Dutch government shared the excellent experience as they were the first one to introduce the substitution hub, which is very much inspired by the Dutch model of powder governance, rooted in the actually the powder management, which was requiring by the forces of the circumstances and the needs to come together and find solutions to complex challenges. Very similar situation today, as substitution is there to stay in terms of long-term challenge. Innovation will be very much determined as well by the way we actually choose safer chemicals. It is a collective challenge, and hopefully with modern technologies and a lot of wisdom, we'll manage to solve them together.